Media provisioning for the Infuse Flex. Step 1. Attaching accessories. Remove the magnetic power cord cover by inserting fingers into side cutouts and pulling outward and downward. Plug the keyboard, mouse, and flash drive into the USB hub. Locate the USB port below the screen next to the power cord and plug in the USB hub. Note, if unit does not recognize accessories, restart the unit. Step 2. Accessing the control panel and playlist. The playlist will start automatically once the unit boots up. Press the Escape key to exit the media show and return to the control panel. In the top toolbar, click Playlist, then Open. This will display items currently in the playlist. Step 3. Copying your media from the flash drive. Double-click the media folder located on the desktop, then navigate to your flash drive in the left side panel. Copy or drag your images, videos, to the media folder. Note, videos must be in MP4 format and images in JPEG or PNG format at a resolution of 1600 by 900 pixels. Step 4. Adding or removing media. To remove an item, select it from the playlist, then click Remove Item from the right side menu. Confirm by clicking OK in the pop-up dialog box. To remove all items, click Clear Playlist. To add a video or image, click Add Item or Items. Select the item you wish to add, then click Open. Notes: Directory defaults to the media folder on the desktop. Select multiple items by holding the Control or Shift key. Multiple items are added alphabetically. Step 5. Editing duration and sort order. To change the duration of an image, select it in the playlist, then click Edit Item from the right side menu. In the duration field, add a value in seconds, then click OK. Note: all images default to 5 seconds. To change the order in which media is played, select the item in the playlist, then click either Move Up or Move Down. Step 6. Validating the playlist. Once all changes are complete, click Playlist, then Validate in the top toolbar and confirm there are no errors or warnings. An error or warning may indicate a wrong media type, missing files, or incorrect settings. The window will show which file is causing an error and why. Step 7. Starting the media show. Click on the X on the top right of the control panel. This will close the window and begin playing your media. The media show will also start automatically after the unit is restarted. Additional system information. To safely power off or restart the unit, click System in the top toolbar and select either Power Off or Restart Unit. Wi-Fi settings can also be accessed from this menu. Adjusting audio. The volume control knob is located on the right side of the unit underneath the monitor. For assistance, please call 1-800-516-3580.